Good morning, everyone. We started off with a few sprinkles earlier, and we're going to see some afternoon thunderstorms. A day much like yesterday, some of those cells could produce some locally heavy rainfall, and we could see some lightning once again. Yesterday, we saw a lot of lightning. Now, we do have the southerly wind flow. It's bringing a lot of moisture into our area, and that's one of the reasons we're keeping our rain chance today at about 50%. Let's take a look at futurecast, and you can see, in the earlier morning hours, we do see some rainfall already hugging the coast and just barely brushing the coast, but we see a lot of clouds. We also see a lot of moisture, and that onshore breeze fires up that thunderstorm activity. So that's why we'll keep our rain chance again today at about 50%. Now, temperature-wise, because of the rain, we're only going to be on average just about 89 degrees today. So 89 is where we expect to hit in Sarasota this afternoon, 89 Venice and Inglewood, 90 for Lakewood Ranch, 91 in Port Charlotte and Punta Gorda, 88 Boca Grande, and 88 Longboat Key. True view painting in your sky. You can see we have a nice, a mix of clouds and a little bit of sun. We see some raindrops, and we see some lightning as well. Now, while we have that average temperature of 89 degrees, the feels like is still just about 100. The feels like temperature is 98 degrees today. We'll have a southeasterly wind to start, and then your onshore breeze in the afternoon. Tonight, we bumped that rain chance down to about 30%. Sunset will be at 8:10, and we'll go down to 76 degrees. Overnight. Now, boaters, you need to be aware that there are some thunderstorms on the Gulf today. We have southeasterly wind at 5 to 10 knots. Seas will be 1 to 2 feet. A light chop. Your water temperature is 89 degrees, and your UVA is a 10 plus. Now, we are looking at several things in the tropics. We are looking at this westward moving tropical wave over the eastern Caribbean Sea. We expect it to keep moving between Cuba and the tip of Florida, and that puts a lot more tropical moisture into play, affecting our area, will affect our area in the form of rainfall. So we're going to keep our rain chance up starting, today it's up to 50%, but we'll keep it up there Friday and Saturday as well because of that. Now, moving further into the tropics towards Africa, we're looking at TD number 2 right now. And this here is something that we expected that could be our first tropical storm of the season, but it's a very unhealthy storm at this point and seems to be falling apart. It is this now, this tropical wave, that we are really looking for something to develop. It's very vigorous, and all the models forecast or are predicting this could turn into something that is quite formidable. So we are keeping our eye on it, and we are also, National Hurricane Center, keeping its eye on this as well. And of course, this is the anniversary of Hurricane Charlie, we should not forget. So we have a lot of coverage on that throughout the newscast today. State temperatures come in like this. We're looking at 89 degrees up the road in Tampa. We're looking at 91 in Orlando, 89 in Jacksonville, 91 in West Palm, and 90 in Key West today. Looking at our national picture now, we have a trough in the upper levels that continues to push westward. We see below average temperatures here. We're also looking in the Midwest will be most of it quiet today, except for a few showers in the upper Midwest. In the south, we are looking at showers along a stalled frontal boundary. And in the northeast, we're also looking at some unsettled weather. We'll see rain basically south of New England and New York today. Temperature-wise, we're at 95 in Dallas, 87 in St. Louis, 85 Detroit and Washington, 90 in Atlanta today. We're also looking at 104 in Phoenix, 91 in Billings, and 71 in Portland. Taking a look at our next 6 days, well, it's Friday, 50% chance of some scattered showers, also 50% on Saturday. And don't forget, we have that tropical wave adding moisture into the atmosphere Friday on into Saturday, so that's why our rain chance stays up there. Sunday, we're at 40%, and we're down to 30% beyond that. That's a look at your forecast. Thanks for logging on to Herald-Tribune.com.